Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Viewers, in this lecture, we are applying Green's theorem to find the area of the hypocycloid. Finding area of hypocycloid using Green's theorem. The equation of hypocycloid is x raised to power 2 by 3 plus y raised to power 2 by 3 is equal to a raised to power 2 by 3, where a is greater than 0. And its parametric equations are x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta. By Green's theorem, the area of the region bounded by simple closed curve C is a is equal to 1 by 2 y d x dy minus, here we have x dy minus y dx. This gives us the area. And obviously here we have parametric equations, and from these equations we have to find the differentials as well. X is equal to a cos cube theta, and from here differential dx will be differential of a cos cube theta. A is constant, this will be differential of cos cube theta, and this will give you a 3 cos theta cos square theta, and differential of theta, and even we have the power 3 cos square theta and differential of cos theta. This will give you 3a cos square theta minus sin theta d theta, and finally we have 3a minus 3a cos square theta sin theta d theta. Similarly, using this value of y is equal to a sin cube theta, and taking its differential dy, differential of a sin cube theta, this will give us a differential of sin cube theta, this will give us a 3 sin square theta into differential of sin theta, and finally this gives us 3a sin square theta, and differential of sin theta is basically cos theta d theta, and ultimately we have 3a sin square theta cos theta d theta. Now we are in position to substituting the value in the formula. Equation 1 gives a is equal to 1 by 2, and the value of x is a cos cube theta, this is the value of x, and value of dy. What is the value of dy here? The value of dy is 3a sin square theta cos theta, and then minus y. Value of y is a sin cube theta, and what is the value of dx? That is minus 3a cos square theta minus 3a cos square theta sin theta d theta. Now here we also have to write d theta. Now look at 1 by 2 and limits. In this case we also have limits 0 to 2 pi. In the case of hypocycloid, theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. That's why we are writing here limits 0 to 2 pi in place of writing c. Okay. This gives us 2 pi 3a square cos 4 theta sin square theta minus minus plus 3a square sin 4 theta cos square theta d theta. Obviously we can take common 3a square, writing 3a square by 2 0 to 2 pi. And what can we take common from here? We can take common from here cos square theta into sin square theta, leaving cos square theta plus sin square theta d theta. Obviously cos square theta plus sin square theta will become 1, and we will have 3a square by 2 0 to 2 pi cos square theta sin square theta d theta. Now we can write cos square theta sin square theta in the form cos theta into sin theta whole square. Thus area will become 3a square by 2 0 to 2 pi 0 to 2 pi, and this will be cos theta sin theta whole square d theta. Now as you know, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta, and from here we will have sin 2 theta over 2 is equal to sin theta cos theta. Replacing this sin theta cos theta by sin 2 theta over 2, we have 3a square by 2 0 to 2 pi sin square 2 theta over 4, and this will be equal to 3a square over 2 into 4 8 0 to 2 pi sin square 2 theta d theta. Next we can write it as 3a square by multiplying and dividing by 2 16 0 to 2 pi 2 sin square 2 theta d theta. And here we will apply the trigonometric formula. 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 4 theta. 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 4 theta. This gives us 3a square by 16 0 to 2 pi 1 minus cos 4 theta d theta. Next we are in position to integrate it. Integration of 1 will be theta minus sin 4 theta over 4 0 to 2 pi, and now applying the limits, upper limit and lower limit in theta, we will have 2 pi minus 0 minus 1 by 4, or you can apply here limits. In place of theta you will write 2 pi. This will give you sin 8 pi minus sin 0 over 4. Now how it is obtained? Substituting theta by 2 pi into 4 will give you 8 pi, and putting theta is equal to 0 will give you sin 0. And as you know, whenever integral multiple of pi appears in the angle of sine, that becomes 0. Similarly, sine 0 is 0. And ultimately we will have 3a square over 16, 2 pi minus 0. And this will be 3 by 8 pi a square. 3 by 8, obviously 2 will cancel 16, giving you 3 by 8. And this is how we can use the Green's theorem to find the area of the hypocycloid. Hopefully this lecture will be very useful for you and you basically learn from this lecture that Green's theorem is applicable in finding the area of the regions enclosed by the simple closed curves. Thank you.